Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys a Stitch Fix. So this particular box, I asked for trendy and youthful. That's it. That's all I said. I didn't really define what I thought that meant. She's the stylist, so wanted to see what she thought. But in my head, it'll be more like crop type tops and maybe some wide leg pants or something. I don't know, but just whatever my stylist thinks is trendy and youthful is what I'm hoping to have here. So exciting stuff. So let's dig right in. If you are not familiar with the service, they are a styling service where you fill out a survey, stylist sends you 5 items, you keep what you like, you send them out what you don't like, and they only charge for what you decide to keep. There is a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase. But I do have a referral link below that'll get you $25 off your first box if you are interested in trying it. And you do get 25% off if you buy all 5 items, which I've only done a couple of times, but when it happens, it's magical. It's truly magical. So, okay. Ooh, somebody got a purse. Okay, so let's start with this. This is by MODA LUXE, which is my current purse that I'm using is a MODA LUXE. Now, I will say I got it 2 years ago, I guess at this point, and just a few months after it, I got a, it has a zipper pocket in it. I got a little hole in it, and now I just kind of like dig around in the innards in my purse of all the things that fall through the hole. So quality-wise, I was actually not impressed because it got a hole in the liner so quickly. I'd like to have a purse that I wear for like 10 years. That's what I want for purses. Purses are not my thing. Shoes are not my thing. I like to get a pair and keep it for a really long time. Anyways, so the purse, really cute lining. I really like, it's kind of a black and white chevron-y type thing. On the inside, give you a little pocket here, a little zipper pucker here, pocket here, pretty standard. And then you've got the zipper up here for, use this as a pouch. Again, I've got this type of thing on my current purse. I don't know what to put up there. I don't put anything up there. It just kind of doesn't get used. And then crossbody here. So I really like it. I'm just not entirely sure that I want to get another purse, but we'll see. We'll see if I fall in love with it, with the prices, all those things. Okay, then we have our bundle, and I see some big bulky pieces, which makes me happy because I like big bulky sweaters. While I don't enjoy the coldness of winter, I do enjoy just wrapping myself in all my blanket clothes. All right, here we go. First off, this is by Fortune and Ivy, and it is a mixed material. So we have blouse on the front, cotton in the back, and kind of this zipper neck, tab sleeve, blousey thing. So I like it. I love the color. Really, really like the color. This is my color. I'm just not a big blouse person, so we'll see on that. Then again, Fortune and Ivy, we have this purple chevron sweater with different tones of purple. So I think it's a really pretty sweater. If this had been more of a kind of one of those shorter-ish sweaters, I'd be kind of more excited about it. Right now, the length of it kind of has me a little, I'm not sure. But again, we'll see once we have that on. Oh, this is soft. I mean, this is literally like a blanket. Okay. And I love the colors, a tan and cream color. I am all about that. This is by Jetty and Me. This is the Jazmine Seamless Open Cardigan. So here we go. It does have a hood on it and seamless open cardigan. So we'll see how that fits. If it's a great fit, that might be a keeper, but it has to be, the fit has to be just perfect. All right, then we have by VIGOSS, and this is the Thompson High Rise Tomboy. Okay, so I like the medium to lighter wash of it. It has a cuffed bottom that is not sewn, but I'm guessing this is supposed to be, kind of boyfriend cut-ish. And I'm excited to try this. Clean, no distressing. So, okay. I don't know why I made that noise. That's nice. So yeah, very excited to try that and see how it fits. And that leads me to, let's do the try on. Okay, here we are with 3 of the 5 pieces on. So I guess let's start with the purse. Oh, which I didn't notice before, but it is expandable. So the purse is nice, and like I said, the liner in mine's just like almost destroyed, so I do need a new purse. I like it. I may see what the price is and see if all my stuff fits in here. Oh, there's a pocket here in the back. So I do like it. I do like a good solid crossbody. So there we go. Next up, we have the blouse. Now, I love the color of the blouse. I'm not a blouse person, but I'm also open to it for under jackets, blazers, things like that. But I'm not sure that I like the fit of this well enough. I do feel like it's a little bit loose, like I could stand for it to be a petite and then it would be perfect. But as it stands, I just don't know that it's good enough to be a keeper. So here's kind of a close-up of it. There you go. Oh. Okay, the jeans are a no-go for me. So I like the idea of them, but the fit of them is not great. So I do have a lot of room up here, which is not a great feel. And it's the kind that I feel like I'd have to pull up on, and I get a lot of extra fabric right here. So it's just not a good fit. I also, if this was meant to be kind of a slouchier, I would have liked it to be a little bit wider on the calves. It almost feels like a skinny to a certain point and then a little bit looser up. I don't know. I don't know what they were going for, but I don't particularly love it. So this is not going to be a keeper for me. So let's keep going. Okay, next up we have this Fortune and Ivy sweater. It's got this chevron look to it, and it's definitely a no-go for me. I think I saw this on Kelly Schaffner's channel, and it looked like a great fit on her. On me, it just looks kind of big. I don't like the tunicky length of it on me. If this had been more of a crop sweater, which, okay, let's try a front tuck here. If this had been more of a crop sweater, I would have been more into it, but I don't even care for it with a front tuck just because it's like boom. So yeah, it's just not great for me. There you go, you get a better look at it. So yeah, not a keeper for me. I think last up is the cardigan. I feel like I'm gonna need your guys' help deciding with this one. So it is a great feel to it. It has a nice thickness to it, a nice softness to it, and I really like it. It has pockets. I like the straight down aspect of it, no waterfall nonsense. Here's my 360 with it. So my issue with it is, first of all, is it a good enough fit on me? What do you guys think? Does it look a little bit big? Does it look good? I'm a little iffy on that. And then the second is, I feel like these hooded cardigans can be a little bit awkward because of how this kind of folds out. So it just can lay a little bit weird as it folds out and goes to the hood back here. So I just kind of would love to get your guys' opinion on this piece. It's cute. I really like it. It's a great feel. I like the pattern. I like the colors. I like all that. I'm just not entirely sure on, you know, I'm not sure on this, and I'm just not sure if it is the perfect fit that I'm looking for. So I don't know. I could use your guys' opinions. You're the best. Everybody's always so helpful. So, all right, well, that was fun. Let's now go over prices and decide what to keep. Okay, here we go. From the top, by Letty and Me, we have the Jazmine Seamless Open Cardigan, $54. I think that is a great deal for this cardigan. It is a great cardigan. Feels really good quality. I love the coloring of it. I just don't think it was my perfect fit. So I don't think it is a keeper for me. It's just a little bit too big, and that's too bad. But yeah, I think not a keeper. So we have by Fortune and Ivy the Anita mixed material blouse $42. I like this one. I am considering this one, but I do wish it was maybe a little bit of a better fit. So I don't know. I love the color. I do think this is something I would layer under some things. So we're going to give that a maybe. Then by Buyer California, this is the Rainer Chevron color block sweater, $50. Not too bad of a price. I didn't like the chevron end to it, and I didn't like how long it was, but other than that, it's a great sweater, just not quite me, so not gonna keep that. Then we have by VIGOSS, this is the Elaine Girlfriend jean, $68, and the fit of that was not good enough, so not gonna keep that. And then finally we have the MODA LUXE Henri Foldover Zip Crossbody, $44. Now, I could use your guys' feedback on this. First of all, what do you think? Do you like it? Second of all, does anybody else have a MODA LUXE purse, and have they had any issues with the lining? So, like I said, I did, and I want to know if that's maybe like a one-off or if everybody else is having the same issue. So, I could use some help with this, and thank you guys. So, the total for the entire box is $258. If I buy all 5, it gets me 25% off, which would take off $64.50 and make the total for the entire box $193.50. So I have a couple maybes there. I might not keep anything. I don't know. I could use some feedback from you guys. Again, as I frequently do, I'm going to hold off on checking out until I hear back from y'all because your feedback is super helpful. So, again, if you are interested in trying the service for yourself, I do have a referral link below that gets us both $25 off of your first box. And hopefully you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Okay.